Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to our second video update as we navigate what we now know as the coronavirus, the COVID-19 pandemic that is affecting everyone both in our nation and in the world. We have been operating since March 23rd, since the state of emergency closed all non-essential businesses in accordance with the state of emergency and the modifications in a way that we felt was still able to provide you with safety as you play paintball and obviously operate in a legal way. With some of the more recent changes to the state of emergency, we are taking the guidance from the Division of Public Health and from the governor to indicate that it is no longer safe to do so. Some of the guidance is we cannot have more than 9 people gathering at any time, so 10 or more is prohibited. And with referees on the field, that really limits the number of players we can have. Also, that puts a big damper on parties, right? You can't really get together. A lot of rules were making that difficult anyway with social distancing. With the introduction of this, in order to keep people safe, that is also making it really difficult to do parties and walk-ons. As a result, we are taking the guidance from the state to indicate that it is not safe for us to continue operating and that this is our time to close temporarily until this is all over. Right now, the guidance we're receiving from the state is indicating that May 15th would be the date. Really, we're hopeful and prayerful that there is an earlier end to this, that we don't have to wait for the next 6 weeks to get back out and play paintball. But also understanding that if that is what is needed to protect residents of both our state and our immediate area, our players, our team, etc., that is what we will do. So we will be closing until May 15th at the moment. That is our guidance. That's what we're shooting for. And we will hope to reopen earlier than that, and potentially we are prepared to open a little later than that if this really keeps going. We are in a position, so I assure you, Precision Paintball is in a position to continue. We kind of saw this coming, as things started to get bad, as one of the later businesses to have to close. We were definitely storing up, things that we had coming in the last couple weekends, and we are in a position to weather this until it is over. So I assure you, we will still be here when this is all over, and we actually hope to come out of it stronger. So a couple of us, we are going to continue working on our construction and actually working towards the woods field that we are in progress on. So, and even if all else fails, I will be out there building myself as the owner and working on that to get the field ready to be able to launch in the next 6 weeks or so as a stronger field and be better suited to accommodate you when this is done. One measure we will be taking immediately, actually right after I get off of this video, I will be freezing memberships. So anything that is currently active, I will simply freeze it until we reopen, so you don't have to worry about that charging your card. And also, if you have prepaid, if you went the cash route with the 6 months or the year up front, I will be crediting however long we're closed to the end of that and adding that on as well. So that's something we're going to do just to help everybody out, and really we don't feel like it's fair if you're paying for a membership that we're closed and you can't be there. So we will be doing that. We've got some considerations, things that honestly I haven't pulled the trigger on. If someone needs paint or needs air, reach out to us, see if we can do some sort of pickup thing so you can come get it. Also, if there's enough of a demand, maybe just because we all want to get out of the house, maybe I could do some coaching videos or some drills and put those up for people that want to or have the ability to continue practicing and refining their skills while they are isolated, while you are alone in your backyard or on your farm, whatever you have going on. So definitely we are down for the moment, but certainly not out. We are ready for this to be over, but we are going to do what we need to keep everyone safe. So we will be closing until further notice. The goal is May 15th is what we're hoping for, but we will be looking to the state, to our governor and Division of Public Health for guidance, and we will be following their lead. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us either on our website through the contact form. Our contact info is there, or reach out to us on Facebook, and we'll be back in touch with you. We really appreciate your support. We appreciate those that are continuing to support us, and we really hope to see you when this is all over, and happy to get back on a paintball field with you. Thanks.